Every interaction is an opportunity to learn and improve. At Rise and Speak in Straight Talk with the Chancellor, we at Chandigarh University give an opportunity to our faculty members to share their ideas, feedback, and engage in meaningful deliberation for the growth of the institution. We not only recognize the valuable feedback and insights given by our employees, but also acknowledge their great contribution towards making this institution a hub of academic excellence.
The very first thing that for any place to work, it's very important that an employee can raise his voice against the system or for the development of the system or can support in the institutional building. And this is one great opportunity that Chandigarh University provides, that we get a chance to speak directly to the Chancellor without any fear, without any thought that we need to arrange our words, we need to be diplomatic or anything like that. We can speak whatever comes to our mind, whatever grievances we have.
I think it's the best platform to share our experiences as well grievances in front of Chancellor sir and management. And I observed that lots of things that we are observing in our mind, it is open to discuss with you.
This was my first experience with the open house program like this. I have never seen this kind of program in any of the university, and it was a great experience where you can directly talk to the management, where you can directly talk to the Chancellor regarding all your problems.
Whatever the problems and issues raised by respected faculty members and different heads in the various years. So every year, every issue has been addressed by Honorable Management and Chancellor Sir, and the problems have been provided to them. It is not like they are just listening, it is a routine progress. No, it is not like that. It's an active program, it is there, because their willingness is there. They want to improve system, they want to provide facilities to their staff, faculty members and to the leaders also.
Frankly speaking, we got a very positive response and he is very approachable to us, and whenever we face any problem, we can direct email to him or we can reach to him in his office, and although this is the platform where he listens everything in front of everyone.
This experience is, that's marvelous. So we raised a lot of the issues for the upliftment of the Chandigarh University. Honorable Chancellor sir, they listen very carefully and all the facts, and they resolve with the best solution. So I really appreciate this kind of movements of the Chandigarh University.
We believe in empowering our faculty with a conducive working environment to enhance their work productivity, create a positive workplace, and ensure work-life balance. We listen, we care.